Long question answer. In the arrangement shown in the figure, pins A, B, C and D are fixed to a circular metal loop with the help of wax. The circular metal loop is heated at the point A with the help of a candle flame. In which order would the pins fall if AB, AD? Justify your answer. When AB is shorter than AD and a candle flame is placed at point A, pin A will fall first, followed by pin B. Next pin D will fall and finally pin C will fall. This occurs because heat spreads evenly from point A in the both directions. Next is the iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on the cart wheels. Iron rims expand when heated, making them easier to fit on the wheels, and then they contract to hold tightly when cooled. Next question. A clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube. Answer is the kink prevents mercury from falling back, allowing the temperature to be read after removal for the body. Next question. A new quilt is warmer than an old one. A new quilt traps more air, providing better insulation than an old one. Next question. A brass tumbler feels much cooler than a wooden tray on a chilly day. Brass conducts heat away from your hand faster than wood, making it feel cooler. Next, the bottoms of cooking utensils are often kept black. Black bottoms absorb more heat, making cooking more efficient. Next question, question number 3. Akshit visited Rishikesh for river rafting during summer holidays. At a campsite, there were two tents, one made with a black fabric and the other with a white fabric. Which one should Akshit prefer? Give reason for the choice. Should Akshit prefer the same tent during winters? Akshit should prefer the white fabric tent in summer because it reflects more sunlight and keeps the inside cooler. During winter, he should prefer the black fabric tent because it absorbs more heat, keeping the inside warmer. Next question is the explain briefly how winds are caused. Next, wind is caused by differences in air pressure. When the air in a place heated up, it expands, takes up more space and becomes lighter, causing it to rise. This lowers the air pressure in that area. Air from nearby areas then rushes in to fill the space. This movement of air creates wind and can lead to storms. Question 5. Supriya, while doing an experiment in the science laboratory, thermometer P 10 cm away on one side of the flame of a candle. Her friend Ria kept similar thermometer Q 10 cm above the flame of the candle is shown in the figure. In which of the thermometers P and Q the rise in temperature will be faster? Give reason for your answer. The temperature in thermometer Q will rise faster because it is placed directly above the candle flame and receives more heat energy. As the hot air from the candle flame rises, the temperature in thermometer Q will increase quickly. Thank you. Have a nice